It would be shocking, but she was arrested again right before this. In November of 2023, they were arrested at the Miami airport as they were boarding an overseas flight. She had said things to her son during a jail call about her plan. So I agree with you, it would be shocking, it would be horrific, but couldn't she read the tea leaves? Certainly she had probably advised with attorneys, and I just don't know that attorneys might have not have suggested to her, hey, you may face charges, you may be arrested in this case. So while that episode that she had and had to be taken to the hospital, it's the first time I've actually watched it, Alexis, it does look genuine. I also feel like, is there any acting going on? Because there's so many signs pointing to the fact she was going to end up charged with something.
Well, I believe that video was the day when she was arrested from the airport initially based on what she was wearing, but I could be mistaken.
No, you're right. That's true. Let me just confirm for you. That's absolutely correct.
Okay, so, I mean, here's the question. There probably was some conversations, like you just said, with an attorney that said, listen, the son, the trial is not going well. And I'm not sure, and I'm not saying people should run off and, try and escape and go to countries that we don't have extradition. But really, if that was your plan, she probably should have implemented that earlier and not been on the phone during that conversation. She waited, I think, until the actual conviction of the son. And I think at some point in the trial, there should have been a little indication, like you said, this isn't going so well.